How to fix TradingView app not working. So you might be encountering this issue because your application is not up to date. That's why you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. So head over to your app store and then in the source bar, search for TradingView. Move ahead to this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the cause of the problem. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, simply search for the application TradingView and then move into it. Now what you want to do is click on offload app. Once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application and remove all of the unwanted bugs. It will also make your application run smoothly and might fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you're still having the issue, then what you can do is uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix TradingView app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.